Everyone, today is the third video of my everyday makeup series, and today's makeup look I will create with the Morphe 35F palette. Let's start the tutorial. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button so whenever I post new videos you get the notification and you watch my videos. First, I will conceal my eyes with the NYX Above and Beyond concealer. You all know that I'm in love with that concealer since I have bought. The good thing about this concealer is it's actually very creamy and you can see it's quite a bit portion. Like, I have already done my eyebrows, so if you don't know how I do my eyebrows, you can watch the first tutorial of this series where I have actually made, that was the very detailed video. In this video I haven't done anything. I have already prepared my face and my eyebrows, so you can watch that tutorial for the eyebrows reference if you really want. Then with the help of a sponge I will set my concealer. Then I'm using this Pore Vanishing Smoothing Powder. This is by Maniso, and I will set my lid area. The first shade I will use is this shade. All the shades that I'm using today I will link down in the description. I'll write down the names in the description box so you can see, because they have lots of name and they don't write on the palette, so it's difficult to just recall everything and just do. And the brush I'm using is by Body Shop, and I will apply this eye shade just on my lid area. My crease area. This eye makeup look is more enhancing your crease and your lid will be very much light. And you have to cover your whole lid, start from the end and then drag it towards the invert of your eye. The next shade I'm using is this one, and with the help of same brush I'm using the same shade. I'm applying it all over on the same shade that I have applied before. After this step you need a blending brush. Any blending brush you can take. I'm just taking my NYX Cosmetic blending brush and I will blend this eye shade that I have applied on my crease very well. So we have done the blending, and the next step that we will do, you need any flat brush. I'm using this color as a highlighter, but you can use any highlighter you have. And with the help of my finger, you can blend with a brush too. And the same highlighter I will apply inner corner of my eye. Just to brighten up everything. Personally, I believe when you apply Morphe highlighters, I mean the glittery shades, usually they look perfect when you apply with the help of your finger. They don't have any fallout or something. But if you apply with any brush, even if you apply the setting spray too, the effect is different. So personally, I believe that your finger is your best brush when you're applying Morphe these highlighting shades. Because our crease is a bit like sort of defined, the color which I will use on my lid is this one, and I'm using my finger. After applying this eyeshadow, what we have to do, the visible shade that I have taken before, I will apply it on this eyeshadow again. So this one, I will apply it again on my eyelid area, and this will change the shade which I have applied. So I'm using my same finger. It has now changed the eyeshade color of my one eye in which I have applied. And the Other thing which I will do, I will take again my blending brush and I will blend both the shades, the lid and the crease one. Then on my lower eyelashes, I will apply this shade which I have applied before, and I will apply under my eye. So basically we are done with our eyeshadow, and then I will apply the liner. You have two options here. Either you can apply a gel eyeliner or wing sort of, or either you can simply apply a black eyeshadow and you can just, you know, dab it on your line area, and this will make it less prominent if you apply just from your eyeshadow. But I really think if you apply a liner, so it will actually complement the look. So I will apply a gel eyeliner, and the eyeliner which I'm using is from Maybelline. From my previous video, which was Kylie Jenner inspired look, I'm sorry, I was I just tilt my head a lot, and I think nobody can see how I was applying my eyeliner. So I will try my best that in this video you can see how I apply my eyeliner. The brush that I'm taking is the same brush which comes with this gel eyeliner. If you buy this brush, always comes with it. So I always first make wing line from, you know, between of my eyes, I can say, and then I just cover it. So if you feel like there is something mismatch or a thicker one, you can always correct it with concealer. The same I will do with my second eye, and then my look, they are finished. Correct way to check if your both eyeliners they are equal, because our both eyes they are not equal. So the correct way to do it is just tilt your head and in this way, and see if you can see your both eyeliner they are together. Like you can see they both are lighter from inner corner and then they are darker from there. It means they both are equal. Then curl your eyelashes. The mascara I'm using is from Clinique. You can use any mascara you have. This is the final look. So if you like my videos and if you like my channel, comment below, subscribe, let me know what else you want me to do, what should be the next series. I'm thinking to make a next series of skincare series, but you can tell me in a comment that either you want a makeup series, more sort of like, because wedding seasons they are coming, or either you want me to do more natural look, because this is everyday makeup look, this is not a natural look. So bye bye.